If you've ever needed to make changes to a PDF but don't have Adobe Acrobat handy, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a super simple way to edit a PDF using Microsoft Word in just a few minutes and without any expensive software. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular PDF into an easy-to-edit document, tweak what you need, and save it back as a PDF that looks polished and professional. All right, let's jump straight in. First off, this method is perfect for minor edits. Things like fixing typos, updating a bit of text, or making quick formatting changes. It's especially helpful for PDFs that are mostly text, like contracts, essays, or reports. If your PDF has a lot of graphics, fancy columns, or a unique layout, just keep in mind, things might look a little different after conversion. But don't worry if everything isn't perfectly preserved. The process is quick, and often the changes are easy to fix. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You don't need any special version. Recent releases from Office 2013 onwards all support this trick. Go to the upper left corner and click File, then head down to Open. This is where you'll tell Word you want to work with a PDF instead of a regular Word doc. Browse through your computer folders to find the PDF you want to edit. Maybe you've downloaded an invoice, received a research draft, or grabbed some guidelines from a website. Once you have your PDF selected, Word is going to pause and give you a little warning. It says it's about to convert your PDF into an editable Word document. This is Word's way of saying, I might need to rearrange a few things so you can edit this. Are you cool with that? Just click OK. The conversion usually only takes a few seconds, though with longer PDFs, you might see a progress bar for a bit. Now, your PDF pops open as a Word document. Take a look at how your text and formatting came through. Sometimes, line breaks or fonts will shift a little, especially if the original PDF was designed in another program. This is completely normal, and you can fix those details as you go. Make your edits just like you would in any Word doc. Replace text, update numbers, correct formatting, and more. For example, if you spot a wrong date, just click and type over it. If you want to add a comment or highlight something, all of Word's familiar editing tools are at your fingertips. When you're happy with your edits, it's time to turn your document back into a PDF. Just go up to File again, and this time choose Save As. Pick where you want to store the finished file. It could be your desktop, a work folder, anywhere that's easy to find. In the Save As type dropdown, select PDF, PDF, and then click Save. Word will process the document and give you a fresh PDF file with all your edits baked in, ready to email, upload, or print. And that's it. Editing a PDF doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just Microsoft Word, you can update most documents in a flash and keep your workflow moving. If you ran into any snags, don't stress. Sometimes layout-heavy PDFs are quirky, but a little extra editing usually does the trick. If this walkthrough helped, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you have any questions about editing PDFs or using Word, just drop them in the comments below. I love helping out. Subscribe if you want more straightforward tech tutorials delivered right to your feed, and I'll see you in the next video.